Hello students, this is Preeti Damle, your English teacher of Mount Litra Z School Jhansi. Students, today we are going to study English grammar from a new enjoying grammar. Okay? So let us begin with chapter 5, expressing future time. Just see here students. Now let us understand where is future time used. What are the conditions or situations where you can use future time? So, future tense we use will, going to, present continuous tense and simple present tense to express future time. Mostly we use will when we make future promises and threats. Next, we use I or we shall to express future time. Then we can also use I or we will to make a promise or threat. Then we have next as we can use he or they shall, which shows obligation. Now in simple words, we'll start with simple future. It is used to talk about something that will happen any time in future. This means that the time is not defined. It can happen any time. Now what will be the syntax for it? Subject plus shall or will plus base form of the verb. Okay? We have another syntax also. Subject plus going to plus base form of verb. For example, I will eat a cheeseburger for dinner. And what about going to? We are going to ski in Kashmir this year. Okay? Now there are certain more situations where we can use future time, simple future. So next condition is it is used for things which we cannot control and are factual. In the sense they are not in our hands and they are realistic. Like for example, our exams will begin in August. So it is not in our hands. It is in the organization's hands when they have to begin or when they do not. Next, what we believe or think will happen in future. Like, I think India will win the series against Australia. Believe or think in the sense you are looking at the situations and then you are predicting. Next is going to. Going to form for what seems likely or certain in the present. Again you are analyzing. She is going to have a baby. Take another example. Like for example, she is going to have a party. Now how do you know? Maybe you know the birth date. Maybe you know that she had gone for shopping. Maybe you know that she has booked a hotel. Okay? Next, going to form for an action that is about to happen. Like for example, get into the bus fast. It's going to leave. So this will surely happen and it is about to happen. Yes, you need to be very quick with the bus, quick with the train. Why? Because it will only wait for some time and then it will leave. Okay? Next we have future time. Simple future is also used to express the immediate future. Like for about to plus base form. For example, we are about to have our dinner. In the sense you are all set with the dining table. You are all set with the veggies and the dal and the rice there on the in the plate, and you are ready to eat. Okay. Next we have the next topic in this chapter is future continuous. Just see here, continuous. Okay, we have right now understood that simple present and present continuous are used for future time, to express future time. So next we'll discuss future continuous. Now, it is used to show actions that will be happening continuously in future. Yes, continuously they'll be happening. And for continuous, you use ing form of the verb. Like for example, syntax would be subject plus will plus be plus ing form of verb. Example, Jane will be driving to work. Now it is also used for an action which will occur in the normal course. Like, I will be meeting him tomorrow. Then we have another situation as action that will be in progress at a given time in future. In progress at a given time. Like for example, at this time tomorrow, we will be attending the party. Take another example. At this time tomorrow, we will be having or we will be attending our second live class. Okay. Now let us discuss the exercises which are there. I'll be sending them through PDF. He says complete these sentences using will or going to with the verbs in the brackets. The first is already done. Second, he says, I made her a good offer. I hope she is dash it. The verb is take. So what we'll fill up? Going to. Going to take. Next is look at the clouds. It is dash in a few minutes. The word is rain. So it is going to rain. Okay. Next, rest of the sentences you can try. Come to exercise number 2. He says again you have to complete the table using going to or will. The first is already done. He has given you a problem and you are setting a solution to it. Like for example, I am overweight. Okay. Solution can be I am going to exercise every day. Next problem he has given, my room is very untidy. Solution can be I am going to clean my room. See the next one. I tend to ignore my little sister. So the answer can be I am going to spend more time with her. Okay. Try the rest. Next, exercise number 3. He says, write a note on the president's schedule in future time using simple present or present continuous. See, you have to write 2 sentences for each. The first is already done. He has given you the clues what you have to write. Second one, just see second one. 7 a.m. arrival in Ahmedabad. So he arrives in Ahmedabad at 7 a.m. Yes, continuous. He is going to arrive in Ahmedabad at 7 a.m. Next one, 10:30 a.m. inauguration of the largest hospital in India. He inaugurates the largest hospital in India at 10:30 a.m. Next one, he is going to inaugurate the largest hospital in India at 10:30 a.m. Okay. Next, write these as complete sentences using the various ways of expressing future actions. He has given you certain, you have to write them in complete sentence. Like for example, are you listening? He says write these as complete sentences using the various ways of expressing future action. See the first one, which is already done for you. He has given you a clue. Rashmi referred to books in the library. He has given you Rashmi is going to refer to books in the library. The second one which he has given is Fatima take help from my mother who is a journalist. We can write Fatima will take help from my mother who is a journalist. See the next one. Sunil sit with his friends and collect information and arguments. We can write Sunil is going to sit with his friends and collect information and arguments. Okay. Exercise number 5. He says tick the correct forms of the verbs to complete these sentences. So, second one, it is Christmas next week. Mother is going to or will bake a cake. So, both are correct here. Next, when the sky clears, we dash have a picnic in a garden. We are going to have. Next, are you sure our team is going to or will win the match? Are you sure our team will win the match? Okay, just try the rest of the sentences. I'll let you know the answers later. Thank you.